Did you know that Anglo Nubian goats, with their distinctive long, floppy ears, are not just adorable but also incredibly versatile, able to produce both high-quality milk and meat? These goats are a unique blend of charm and functionality that have won the hearts of farmers and homesteaders across the globe. Sporting a coat of various colors and patterns, these goats are instantly recognizable by their pendulous ears and Roman nose. But it's not just their looks that set them apart. Beyond the aesthetics, these goats are known for their dual-purpose nature. They provide both milk and meat, an uncommon trait among most goat breeds. The origins of the Anglo Nubian goat are as intriguing as their appearance. These goats trace their roots back to the Middle East and North Africa, but it was in England where they got their distinctive name and breed characteristics. Stay tuned to explore more interesting facts about these fascinating creatures. The Anglo Nubian goat has a rich history, tracing its origins back to Africa and the Middle East. This breed, known for its distinctive long ears and Roman nose, is a testament to the intermingling of cultures across continents. So how did these goats journey from the sweltering heat of Africa and the arid plains of the Middle East to the green pastures of Britain? Well, it all started in the 19th century. British colonists and travelers, fascinated by these unique goats, brought them back from their voyages. With each arriving ship, a new lineage of goats stepped onto British soil, each with its own story and characteristics. These goats were bred with the local British goat stock, creating a melting pot of goat genetics. The result was a breed that bore the best of both worlds: the robustness of the African and Middle Eastern goats, coupled with the hardiness of the British breeds. This new breed was aptly named the Anglo Nubian goat, Anglo representing its British influence and Nubian referencing the Nubian Desert in Northeast Africa. The Anglo Nubian goat was not just a product of selective breeding, but also a testament to adaptability. These goats had to adjust to a completely new climate in Britain, a stark contrast to the hot and arid conditions they were used to. Yet, they thrived. Their adaptability wasn't just limited to Britain. Over time, the Anglo Nubian goat has made its way to different corners of the globe, withstanding varying climates and thriving in each one. This adaptability, coupled with their exceptional milk production, has made the Anglo Nubian goat a popular choice among farmers worldwide. Their ability to survive in different environments, from the arid regions of Africa to the cold winters of Europe and North America, is truly remarkable. So the next time you see an Anglo Nubian goat, remember its rich history and journey. It's not just a goat, it's a symbol of adaptability and resilience. Remember, understanding a breed's history helps you appreciate their capabilities and value. One of the key reasons why Anglo Nubian goats are so popular among farmers is their versatility. Let's start with milk production. Anglo Nubian goats are renowned for their rich, high-quality milk. Unlike the milk from other goat breeds, Anglo Nubian milk has a high butterfat content, around 5%. This makes it particularly suitable for cheese production. From feta de chèvre, the creamy, full-bodied milk from an Anglo Nubian goat can make a variety of delicious cheeses. Moving on, let's discuss meat production. While they're not primarily raised for their meat, Anglo Nubian goats still offer a great source of lean, healthy meat. The meat from these goats is tender and flavorful, making it a popular choice among those who prefer a healthier alternative to beef or pork. But the versatility of these goats doesn't end there. They also play a pivotal role in sustainable farming. Their natural grazing habits make them perfect for weed control. They can help farmers reduce their reliance on harmful chemical herbicides, as these goats are more than happy to munch away on unwanted plants. Moreover, their manure makes an excellent natural fertilizer. Rich in essential nutrients, it can significantly improve soil health and fertility. This can help farmers increase crop yields without resorting to synthetic fertilizers that can harm the environment. Anglo Nubian goats are also known for their robust health and adaptability. They can thrive in various climates, from hot, arid regions to cooler, temperate zones. This adaptability makes them a suitable choice for farmers across the globe. And let's not forget their charming personalities. With their distinctive long ears and Roman noses, Anglo Nubian goats are not just practical farm animals, but also delightful companions. They're known for their friendly, sociable nature, which makes them a joy to have around the farm. Indeed, these goats are a great addition to any farm or homestead. While Anglo Nubian goats are relatively hardy, they do require certain care and maintenance to thrive. And that's exactly what we're going to delve into right now. Firstly, let's talk about space. These goats are known for their active and explorative nature. They love to climb and explore their surroundings. So, providing them with ample space is crucial. This doesn't necessarily mean you need a vast field, but at least a spacious pen with some outdoor access, where they can stretch their legs and satisfy their curiosity. Next up, health checkups. Yes, Anglo Nubian goats are robust, but they're not immune to health issues. Regular health checkups are essential to ensure that they are free from common diseases like pneumonia, parasites, or foot rot. Remember, preventive care is always better than cure, and in this case, it can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Now, onto their diet. Anglo Nubian goats are known for their excellent milk production, and to maintain this, they need a balanced diet. They should be fed a mixture of grains, hay, and fresh vegetables, along with access to clean water at all times. The right nutrition not only keeps them healthy, but also ensures high-quality milk yield. Lastly, let's not forget the socialization needs of these goats. They are sociable creatures and thrive in the company of their kind. If you have only one goat, it may feel lonely and stressed, so if possible, always keep at least a pair of Anglo Nubian goats. Also, while they're sociable, they also need to feel secure, so ensure their living area is safe from predators and extreme weather conditions. This will help them to feel comfortable and, in turn, be more productive. In conclusion, while these goats are indeed hardy, they still need your care and attention. Provide them with the right space, regular health checkups, a balanced diet, and the company of their own kind. With proper care, your Anglo Nubian goats will not only thrive, but also provide you with plenty of benefits. So embrace the joy of raising these wonderful creatures and reap the rewards that come with it. Like any other breed, Anglo Nubian goats are subject to a fair share of myths and misconceptions. Let's delve into some of these and set the record straight. One common myth is that Anglo Nubian goats are aggressive. In reality, these goats are known for their friendly demeanor. They are sociable creatures that enjoy human interaction. If an Anglo Nubian goat appears aggressive, it's likely due to improper handling or a lack of socialization, not because it's inherent in their nature. Another misconception is that these goats are difficult to manage. Quite the contrary, Anglo Nubian goats are adaptable and hardy animals. They can thrive in a variety of climates and environments, from the cold British Isles to the hot African plains. They're also renowned for their ability to feed on a wide range of vegetation, which makes them easier to care for compared to some other breeds. There's also a notion that Anglo Nubian goats are not as productive as other breeds. This is a half-truth. While it's true that they might not produce as much milk as dairy-specific breeds, the quality of their milk is exceptional. It's high in butterfat and protein, making it ideal for cheese production. Moreover, these goats are dual-purpose animals. They're valued not only for their milk, but also for their meat, which is lean and flavorful. Lastly, some people believe that Anglo Nubian goats are excessively noisy. This myth likely stems from their distinct vocalizations. Yes, they can be vocal, especially when they're hungry or need something. However, this trait also makes them excellent alert animals on the farm. In conclusion, misconceptions often stem from a lack of understanding or misinformation. It's important to remember that every breed of goat has its unique qualities and challenges. Anglo Nubian goats, with their friendly nature, adaptability, and high-quality milk and meat, are certainly a breed worth considering for your farm or homestead. By dispelling these myths, we can better appreciate the true value of these wonderful animals. Anglo Nubian goats are not just beneficial for farmers, but they also play a crucial role in sustainable farming practices. A key element of their contribution lies in their ability to maintain soil health. These goats graze on a variety of plants, including those that are tough and unpalatable to other livestock, helping to control weed growth and promote biodiversity. Their hoof action also aids in soil aeration, enhancing its fertility and water retention capacity. But the sustainability factor doesn't stop there. Anglo Nubian goats are known for their efficient feed conversion, meaning they require less food per kilogram of body weight compared to other breeds. This reduces the strain on resources and minimizes wastage. Moreover, their adaptability and resistance to diseases make them a low-maintenance choice for farmers, further underlining their sustainable nature. So, by choosing Anglo Nubian goats, you're not only supporting your farm but also the environment. It's about making choices that benefit us today and safeguard our future.